This single lead magnet post brought in $74,000 in ARR in new revenue, and it cost $0 to do this. In this exact video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process of how I created this post, created the lead magnet, the exact funnel system, how everybody got the lead magnet. It was all delivered through this tool called Lead Panther. Told them to go to this website. They filled out this form. After they filled this form, they came into the funnel. They got on a call with me. 12 of them converted into paying customers. It cost zero freaking dollars. You're going to watch me make this exact lead magnet. It's not hard to do. Warning though, the audio in the video is terrible. Had no idea it was so bad. But what you're going to learn in this video, the shit that you're actually going to learn, that you're going to learn to make these posts that go insanely viral for these lead magnets and do it all for basically $0. Let's go. Let's watch the video. So my process, I'm just going to walk you guys through my process for how I do this. So I find the article I like or the post I like. Here it is. So I actually already have it here, but yeah. So here's the post. We put it in. Now, what do I say now? Now I need to get information on my product. So I got some deals. So I go to the website, my website that I want to promote in the post. So I take a screen capture of the entire website. Here we go. So that I give it to the AI. So now I got the screen capture. Now I go ahead and I put this into the chat here. And so now I give it the prompt and I say, I want to rewrite the below post, but it will be for advertising. The will be for a lead magnet about get deals.ai. See attached PDF of screenshot of the website. So please make relevant changes to the below text so that it references features slash functions and product outcomes. So we do that. And the hook needs to start with, say, Gemini plus Claude. Okay. And then we do that. And here we go. So let's do a thing. We got Gemini 3 Pro running, which is really good. Claude can also do this. Claude used to be my #1 writer, but wait, what the hell? Shit, that's wrong. Damn, hang on, we gotta redo this. I dropped in the wrong thing here, so we're just gonna have to delete this. Stop. Playgrounds, new. Okay. Gotta get the right post with the right spacing. There we go. Drops that in. Now I get the right screenshot.p. How did it not come in correctly? Let's make it. Oh, that's weird. Okay. That is not the right one. This is the right one here. I don't even know what document that is. Let's just confirm. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we got the right one. Okay, cool. Let's see what it comes up with. I forgot to record this. Crap. Okay, let's change that. I can get the recording here. Boop, 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 boop. I don't even know where I can record. Oh, it is recording. Yeah, I got the note taker in here. We're good. All right, let's see what it came up with. Gemini slides just automate, no VAs. Yeah. Uh-huh. This is good. Builds hyper-targeted lists based on exact, yep. Scores every detail, yep. Crafts, yeah. Runs until, yep. Wakes you up to more. Nice. The math used to look like this. Yeah, the results now. Just log in. This is beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna change. This is really good. Perfect. This is perfect. Now we put this into a new post. Okay. Fix the spacing. Spacing should be a better way to do this. Yeah, okay. Mhm. I don't even have a guide, by the way, but I'll get AI to write me one. What should it be called? Outreach, maybe? I don't know.
Deals. Cheers.
Deals, that's a good one. I just gotta double check that I haven't used that keyword because I have my system here. See, I have all these keywords here.
Yeah.
I got too many.
Yeah, you need a
Deals.
generator.
Deals is not
Checks.
one. Perfect. Deals is a great one. I like that. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Deals. This is awesome. All right. So now we got the whole thing. Actually, we want the repost emoji. Recycle. Yeah, that's better. Awesome. Look at that. Beautiful. Connect with me. Comment deals. Oh, yeah, I need another one. Like. It's like the post. Okay. Awesome. All right. Yeah, that's a problem. Man. Stupid photo. HEIC. Wonder if how I can change this easily. Maybe let's see if this will work. Mm,
Normally not. It doesn't transform it.
It looks like
It's
it
still
did.
a high. It's still a hike. Yeah, but
No, it's
but you
just,
you you, you use your the online tools to really transform. But
yeah,
why
I
do you
know,
want to
but
transform?
let's just see. Yeah, you're right. It didn't work. Man. All right. HEIC2. I gotta use one of these converter tools. Crap. But I screwed up the image now. That's all right. We can just redo it. Sometimes it does work. So luck. Sometimes I don't know. I don't know what's going on under the hood, man. I'm just a user of this
Yeah,
stuff. I'm just a practitioner.
yeah.
There we go. Okay, it's going. Processing. We'll wait on that. Okay, now if we were to make a lead magnet playbook on helping people, uh, you know, with on helping people do better prospecting on LinkedIn sales nav and writing better personalized messages. Oh yeah, qualifying the leads, personalized messages. What would this playbook look like? So now I'm going to get it to create the playbook for me, the lead magnet guide, because there's got to be, yeah, this looks good. Because when you create a lead magnets post, there always has to be a resource like a guide or a playbook or something like that. So, and usually, so Claude, Gemini can create an entire playbook from just a post. So as you can see here, I got my post. And in this post, we've given it enough information to create like quite literally a 20, 30, or even 40 page guide or playbook on something that we want on whatever is here, which is incredible. So now we're gonna see what it comes up with. The anti-spam prospecting playbook. Hey, that's a good name. Introduction, the sniper versus shotgun approach. Oh. The spray and pray method is dead in 2025. I like that. Okay, let's just go ahead and post this before I forget. I got the image. That looks good. Let's just go ahead and post it. And there we go. So now we posted, now we actually got to make the resource that we're advertising. Oh, it takes a minute to post, doesn't it? Beautiful, look at that. Most beautiful post I've ever seen. All right, now let's get into this. Okay, so here's what it's come up with. Here's the structure, how to build top 1% list in sales nav, qualify leads in seconds, and write messages that actually gets replies. Nice. The problem, the spray and pay method, shift from volume to relevance. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly the exact 50 people who are buying from you rather than annoying 500 people who are not. So yeah, that's great. Okay, this is good. Yeah, how to use the post on LinkedIn 30 days. How does it know this? That's exactly what my feature uses. I don't know how it knows this. Is this in my website somewhere? Maybe it is. It doesn't say much on here. Huh. It doesn't. I don't know how it knows that, but I'm impressed. It somehow knows it. I don't know how it knows it, but it knows it. Okay. Yeah, so my product, when we scrape a list, you guys know Sales Navigator? You guys ever use that? Yeah,
No.
I see Taylor nodding yes.
Okay.
So in Sales Navigator, when you get a list, so you go to the filters here, there's a thing called posted on LinkedIn, which means that when you have this filter enabled, it only returns people that have been active on LinkedIn in the last 30 days, which is awesome because like especially if you're doing outreach on LinkedIn, you 100% want to target people who have been active on LinkedIn. Otherwise, you're just wasting your outreach because you're targeting people who literally don't use the website. Like, yeah, there's like I think the stats is I don't think I know what this it is this. There's about a billion users on LinkedIn, but of those billion users, only about 100 million of them post on LinkedIn or actually log into LinkedIn, post on it every month, every 30 days. It's only that. So it's about 1 in 10 LinkedIn users are actually active on LinkedIn users. So that means that if you're getting a list from like Apollo or Clay or whatever, those lists will always give you like the LinkedIn URLs of the leads, but if you send, messages to them, 9 out of 10 won't respond because they're just not active on LinkedIn. So you're just literally wasting your outreach. So when you're using those lead list tools, like don't outreach them on LinkedIn. It's a huge waste of time, huge waste of resources. Just send them emails because emails, well, if you have a good email sending tool, it will actually be sent. If you don't have a good email sending tool, then it'll just go to spam. So, but yeah, so that's why with my product, we always have when we get a list, it's always with the post on 30 days filter. So I have no idea how it knows this to use this, but that's exactly what we do. So that's why I'm saying I'm really impressed by what the AI came up with. Okay. Depersonalization, protocol, relevance, reward, request. Yeah, well, that's fine. The winning templates. Yeah. The upsell. Okay. How many words would be, let's say, the structure and chapters look good, but how many words would be in each part? This is important when you're getting to write a guide, because if you don't get it to define how many words is going to be in it, then it's just going to write too much or write too little. So yeah, you want it to think through it. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so you want it to think through. So now it's given the right amount of words. Okay, yeah. See, this is good. This is a good structure. Uh-huh. Perfect. This is good. Write chapter one. Chapter one. No, write introduction. And now when you get it to write a guide like this, you never tell it to write the entire thing in one go. Like I could tell it to, oh, go ahead and just write the 2,000 words, and it could do it, but it's not going to do a good job. It does a better job when it writes it in increments. And so then you just literally just get it to write in increments. Um, okay, write part. And then you can also test it to, like it said, it was 250 words. So let's test to see if it was actually 250 words. 245. That's pretty good. It's pretty close. So now I'm pretty confident that it's actually going to write something according to what it says. So I say write chapter. And yeah, this process takes a bit more time, but it guarantees that you're getting good quality. And all you have to do is just like copy and paste each part, right? So it doesn't take too much time, to be honest. So now I open up a Google Docs, and yeah, see, I just paste it in. That's it. It needs a title, so I already know what the title's gonna be. Um, the anti-spam playbook. So we're just gonna paste this in, and we'll make it big. I always just leave the font defaulted with Arial because it's good enough. This can be like maybe 25. Yeah, that looks good. Needs an image, so we just give it the image that we just put in here. Here we go. This lovely image. It works, guys. It works. Make this maybe a little bigger. Bold, maybe. Yeah, that looks better. Get rid of that. There we go. Now we've got maybe a little bigger. And there we go. Now we got a nice cover for it. And we got a title here. Okay, cool. So now we just keep going, basically. And we got, okay, good. We got this right. Chapter 2 with spelling error. That's fine. And here we go. So we got the clickable titles. When you copy it in, um, as you can see, I copied it in using the copy as text, not as markdown, because what it does is it retains all of the formatting. As you can see, it put all the formatting in like perfectly. So I didn't have to change any of the formatting here, which saves me a shit ton of time. So yeah, it's really good. We already got chapter 2 here. Okay, right, chapter 3. As you see, it's writing it pretty fast. Let's just confirm that 444. I said it was going to do 500, so that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. And there we go. So now we've got the document coming along already at 6 pages. This is awesome. We can put in some page numbers here. Insert page number in footer. There we go. We got the page numbers in here. Beautiful. We can close this. All right, chapter 4. Got chapter 4 going. Let's see. I gotta get rid of, I think I put in some extra stuff here. Here's the draft. Okay, we gotta get rid of that. Here's the draft. Yeah, we'll get rid of that too. There's probably one up here too. Here's the draft. Perfect. Good thing I remembered that. That would have been in there. Okay, right. Chapter 5. Okay, we're almost done. The 60% pause happens after the third message. I mean, that's not actually true. I'm getting really good reply rates on the first and second message, but whatever. We'll leave it in.
Don't you want to take out the M dashes? The
Uh,
long? Or is it okay that
what?
the dashes, because this is typical AI?
Oh no, I don't care.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
honestly, to be honest, when I'm reading a guide or some type of material and it doesn't have an M dash in it, which means they wrote it by hand, I think they're crazy for writing it by hand. That's my opinion.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
think anyone's crazy. Like, there's still writers out there that like they write by hands and they
A
love
lot.
it. And good for them, that's great. Glad they still have a job.
Yeah, still.
But yeah, the M dashes, I don't care. I know a
Okay.
lot of people really care about that. Right. Well, the last part. I forget what the last part's called, but for me, it doesn't matter. Yeah, that doesn't look very good, does it? Okay. Okay, got it. Right a bit there. Did I do it in chapter? Yes, I did. Okay, good. Oh, it even put get deals in here. Nice. Look at this. Advertising the
Mhm.
product. That's good. I didn't even tell it to do it, but it figured it out that I want that. It's guys, this is why like Gemini and these tools, they're so freaking good. Uh, yeah. Click here to clone this playbook. I guess I want to link this. Yeah, that worked. Okay, sweet. Is there a last part? Yeah, there is. Bonus assets. This is kind of cool. I don't even know if this works, to be honest. Let's try it out. Oh, wow. Looks like it does
You know
work.
something?
It works a little bit. I've never used the Boolean search on here. I don't even know if you can use a Boolean search on this, but it looks like you can. So that's cool. Yeah, that's fine. For targeting SaaS, I wonder if this works. Let's just reset this. Search. Yeah, it looks like it does work. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, yeah, this is quite good. All right, cool. This is great. Thanks, Gemini. Thanks for this great work. I didn't have to lift a damn finger. Oh, we
That's
have to.
crazy.
Yeah, it's so crazy, right? There we go. Ready to automate, start your free trial. Yeah, start your free trial. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. There we go. We got our asset done. So now we just download it as a PDF, and that's it. So it took like, I don't know,
15 minutes, John, for the PDF.
yeah, 15 minutes to make a really, really good PDF. Yeah, that's all branded. That describes the problem pretty well. Like that's it. Done. We got our lead magnet. Now I got to put this into my system here. Got to do this here. Add the template. What do we call it? Deals. Get deals. Actually, what do we call it again? Forget this. What do I call it? I should be the template message. This part I gotta remember. How do I do it? I used to do everything in spreadsheets. See, this is how it used to look here. And I had all my comments come in like this. This is how it's been for the past 4 months, literally. See, check it out. I have over 25,000 leads in these spreadsheets. I'm not joking, literally 25,000. Isn't that wild? Now I got to figure out
Crazy.
what to do with all these leads. Yeah.
Would be my question. What do you do with them?
Well, I'm going to do outreach to them. That's what I'm going to
Yeah.
do. Now I need to get this. So here's like the template that I use. This looks good. Perfect. Here's the link to the um yeah, I gotta upload it. Okay, so free automation workflows. I put all of my lead magnets here. So now I just gotta add a folder. My deals, what did I call it? It was like the anti-spam playbook. Yeah. Put this in. Here it is. We upload it. Come on. Google can be glitchy sometimes. Put it in. Make sure it's shareable. Yep. Okay, that's actually the wrong one. Copy link. Perfect. Yeah. Here's the link to the anti-spam. Don't need this. How your prospecting goes. And that's it. Save. Voila. Now we have the template created. It's in the system. So now anytime, because it's in my system, anytime anyone comments with the keyword, sends me a message or comments, now it will be included as a lead magnet resource. So you can see here. Oh, we already got one person that's commented deals. Let's see. I'm gonna heart my own post. We got two. Cool. Not as much as I'd like, but I'll take it. It's fine. Oh, we got 15. Okay, never mind. It's actually doing quite well. That's doing pretty good. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. As you can see, other people who do lead magnets, like this guy here. He's doing it manually because I know he's doing it manually because you can only get see how it's for example, if I do reply, it brings in my name here as a field like that. You can only do that manually. You can't do that with like with a software automation. So with my tool, it also replies to people. Um, but so when it replies, I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. See, it looks like this. So you check your DMs, no Kita, so it brings in their name, but as you can see, the name isn't like it isn't like a hyperlink name like how it does here. So if I click on reply here, it brings in the hyperlink name. So yeah. That's how you can tell the difference between like an automation reply or non-automation reply on LinkedIn. So as you can see, mine is 100% an automation reply. And now you guys know how to look at this stuff on LinkedIn. One second, I just gotta get more coffee. Okay, I hope you found this good. Um, Now, because I have a newsletter, the process continues. Now we need to get to write my newsletter about this. Gotta keep going because as you can see, here's my newsletter, and I give out free guides and stuff like that. So I need to promote this to the newsletter. So now I need to say, now please write a newsletter copy for my Beehive, and that will promote this playbook and has a link to the playbook. Use this link. So we'll get that link here, share copy. And when writing the guide, please follow below example newsletter format, writing style, etc. So now I gotta give it an actual newsletter example of one, and I just use all of my past ones. Actually, which one has done well? I usually like to get it ones that have done well. Let's take a look. I don't know. Wow, this one had 50% open rate. Holy shit. That is really high. Okay, we're gonna use this one then. This one here. This has got to be one of my best performing newsletters. Yeah, it's crazy. Not a single person clicked on this ad, by the way. So FYI. Yeah, let's do it. Block. This is for the prompt library that we made, or how
Yeah,
we made all these
you
pictures.
you made.
No, we made
Yeah.
together, man. That's what we did. Gotta give it the title. That in here. Title, subtitle. I think that's enough. Yeah, should be enough. All right. I wonder how well it's gonna write. I'm now zeroing on the core value of the playbook, menu prospecting. I'm taking cues from the Pestler, the Pestler piece. Sensationalist, urgent tone, strong narrative about the shifts in prospecting. Highlighting the shift from spam to sniper approach using Boolean logic. I would showcase the time savings and yeah, very good. Construct a narrative. Current construct by focusing on the narrative. Spam filter apocalypse. Oh, that's so good. I would have never come up with that framing in a million years. Building a strong case for the sniper method. Nice. Outlining the contrast, the stark contrast between ineffective and high volume. Yep. Adding the playbook components. Cool. Highlighting the playbook content. All right, see what we came up with. The silent purge. RIP the SDR. Hey, that's great. This is a great title. Okay, it seems like we got a winner here, guys. This seems pretty good off the bat. Actually, I gotta get an ad. I like to make some money off of off of this. I wonder, these are the ads that I get. This is what it's given me. So I gotta figure out which ad would resonate with my people, with my audience. Real estate, estate planning. Nah, Roku. Lately, the ads that have been giving me have been shit. Have been really bad ads. You don't get to choose which ads. I mean, you get to choose of the ads. Why is it not loading? But yeah. Is it my internet or is it Beehive?
No, no, we still see you and hear you.
Okay, so it's gotta be Beehive then. Okay, it's just Beehive's just really slow. Find customers on Roku this holiday season. Hmm. I don't know if my customers would be interested in advertising on Roku. So what is this? Levantan. Levanta. This is the ad that I just did that didn't even work, so that's a no. Masterworks. What is this? It looks like it's about making money through paintings. I guess. Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. Beehive. I think Beehive's the winner.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just like that.
All the other ones sucked. Products that have no relevance to my audience whatsoever. Which was great. So now I gotta add the image. And for my image, it's always just the same image that I do in the post. It's a guide. I like to put the advertisement at the top so that I make some money from it. I know for sure. Oh, I love this image. It's so funny. Awesome. Something like this. Oh, okay. Guess I can't do that. Is it? There we go. That works. Make sure the link works. Yep. Get rid of this. No. Okay. Now I gotta check the preview. Okay, looks good. It's pretty short. Usually it does it longer. But I mean, it's fine actually. The silent purge of the tides have turned according to your reason. Isn't just declining, it's dead. There's your favorite M dash.
Yeah, I know, I see it, but it's your newsletter.
Okay, okay. Since it's bothering you, there we go.
Come on.
It doesn't matter to me, but you're right. I mean, you know what? This could convert like one or two customers. That this could be like the defining factor that converts somebody. So if it matters, it matters, you know? Um, does it? I'm not actually gonna look at this. I don't even know what's in it. Wonder what those depersonalization mess prompts look like. It's pretty good. Yeah, nothing special, but it's fine. This is all really basic prospecting stuff, to be honest. It's honestly nothing really new in this, but whatever. Yeah, that looks
And
good.
it's new to the people who receive it, right? I
Yeah,
guess
it's
so.
something.
Well,
It's true. That looks good. All looks good. View, schedule, publish now. There you go. Done. Easy peasy. Oh, that was great. Okay, guys. Well, now you've seen how I do the entire end-to-end process for doing a lead magnet, literally. So, questions or comments, or I open it up to you guys now.
every time awesome to see, in how much time? 45 minutes? A post,
Yeah,
a lead
yeah,
magnet, and a newsletter.
yeah.